Pi Network KYC is the key to unlocking your Pi and making it real. But how does it work, and what happens if you don't pass? Today, I'll walk you through the process step by step, explain common mistakes, and share my top tips to help you get verified quickly. KYC stands for Know Your Customer. It's a verification process designed to confirm that real people, not bots, are using Pi Network. This helps keep the ecosystem secure and ensures that only legitimate users can access their mined Pi. The best part, it's completely free and easy to do. To get started, open the Pi Network app and go to the KYC section. You'll need to submit a government-issued ID, like a passport, driver's license, or national ID. Next, you'll complete a quick facial recognition check. Make sure you have good lighting and follow the on-screen instructions. After that, your verification request will be processed. This can take anywhere from a few hours to several days, depending on the volume of applications. Once approved, you'll have full access to your Pi balance and be able to use Pi apps. Some common mistakes can slow down the process. If your ID photo is blurry, it might not get accepted, so be sure it's clear and easy to read. Only use an official government-issued ID. Other forms of identification won't work. Also, make sure your name in the Pi app matches the name on your ID. If your verification is taking longer than expected, don't worry. Pi is verifying millions of users, so some delays are normal. KYC is essential for the future of Pi Network. It prevents fraud, ensures fairness, and is required for the upcoming Mainnet launch. Only verified users will be able to access and use their Pi, so completing KYC as soon as possible is important. Have you completed your KYC verification yet? Drop a comment below and let me know. And if you haven't started mining Pi yet, now is the time. There are still billions of Pi coins left to be mined, and it's completely free to start. Download the Pi Network app and use my referral link in the description to claim your first Pi coin today. Make sure to subscribe for more Pi updates, crypto news, and passive income tips.